Hi everyone, this is Darren Johnson, strongmoneyplan.com. It's always good to have a professional trader on standby to explain to us what's going on in the marketplace when we see numbers that would be less than flattering and could induce some panic, especially for new people to the crypto space. So that's one of the reasons why I enjoy listening to Clarence give his updates, because he's always there to give us timely information to settle the waters and make sure that we understand the strategy and the importance of patience. So I'm going to pass you along to Clarence now because he just gave an update, and it's about a 6 to 7 minute update, but I want you to hear what he has to say, and hopefully this will help you feel reassured in your position in Copy Pro Traders. So if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe to my channel, as I will be uploading content continuously to answer questions and to help make sure that people understand and are educated in regards to Copy Pro Traders and what we're doing to help you increase your income. Here's Clarence.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Ooh, the markets is going crazy today. They're going crazy today. All right, everybody. So I know I said I'd never close a losing trade, but due to the market dip, I've decided to never close a losing trade. We're not going to do it. Today, we're going to buy some more crypto. The market is in a perfect position to make some money today. I do want to show you guys something. Okay. Stay tuned. Let me show you guys one thing. All right. So why the heck do these traders not wait until the very last minute to buy at the very, very bottom, right? That's what we all want to know, right? Why are we buying and the market is still going down? The heck are these traders doing anyway? So if you guys know, I do my weekly chart sessions so you guys can kind of get an idea of what I think the market may or may not do. So you guys have also heard me say that X marks the spot. I do believe that in my last episode, we were somewhere in here when I was doing my last charting session. And sure enough, X marked the spot, X marked the spot, X marked the spot. If you have an account with me, we have been buying from here. We bought here, we bought here, and we bought here. That's why we recommend that you break your account up into little itty bitty pieces. Right now, we talked about dollar cost averaging, right? So if we got in here, we got in here, and we got in here, we'll just use these three positions. Our average price is right in here somewhere, right? So everyone is thinking, right, why don't we just wait until we get and buy everything right there, right? Life doesn't work that way, right? Sometimes this right here looks almost identical to this right here. Right. And so it doesn't matter whether we buy this on the way down or whether we buy this on the way back up. We're still going to buy the same positions. We still have to go up from this position to here to get to 10%. We got to go from this position to there to get to 10%. We got to go up. Right. So if I were to wait until I believed that a lowest point was the lowest point and then just go all in on that point, for a perfect example, if I did that here, then you guys would be super stuck, right? That's why we spread it out all the way down, right? Because we don't actually know where the bottom is going to be, right? So, but what we do know is that when we do reach the bottom and we decide to come back up, look at what we have here. Oh, right? Look at what we have here. We're going to end up buying that spot, which we did. We're going to buy that spot, which we did. We're going to buy this spot, which we did. We're going to buy that spot, or which we will. We'll buy this spot. When we will, we're going to buy all the way back up. As we move back up, we'll be closing out that position. 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 So the only difference between going all in on the way down or going all in on the way up is how patient are you? I already anticipated this. That's why these X's were on the chart. I already anticipate this. That's why these X's are on the chart. Okay. So everybody, go buy some USDT. We're going shopping. Love you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. No stress. We're watching the charts 24/7. We got your back. Okay. You guys have a wonderful day. No stress. Make some money. Recruit some people. Earn some more Bitcoin. Add it to your trading account. Let's ride this back up. As the market starts to come back up, we're going to be taking our 5-10% profits and we're going to be reinvesting and we're going to make a killing when the market all-time high and above, right? We needed to go down just about 50%, right at the 50% mark, right? So you see this bounce right here. Let me see if I can get you to see this bounce right here. Right? It's a nice little rejection. All them people last night that started panicking, oh my God, right? It's a wrap for them. They just got their soul snatched, right? Now they stuck in a sell position and they can't get out, right? So everybody just stay tuned, hold tight. We're going to start making some money this week and over the rest of this month. I do believe we will be returning into a going up market. And I am looking for the market to continue right up here into the 75, 72, 75, 80-ish. As high as 87-ish. Hold on, hold tight, hold tight. Yeah, people, load up. It's getting ready to go crazy. It's getting ready to go crazy. Okay? Trust the process. We're here. We're watching everything. Got this stuff already designed out for you. Make sure you take time to go check out my chart sessions because you'll be able to see things like, oh, look at the X's. Oh, where's the next? Oh, that makes sense now. Y'all with me? All right, love you guys. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to talk to you guys soon. Don't panic. Never, ever going to close a losing trade. Never. Never. Just not going to do it. Not on my watch. Not going to happen. Matter of fact, I'm shopping today.